and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Chicken Puttanesca, a very easy, simple, economic dish, and we're going to cook it in the Tefal Cook4Me. You are not going to believe how quick this is. We've got a couple of chicken thighs here. I have just left the bones in there. There's lots of flavour in that bones. Gives you something to do at the dinner table. We're just going to pop that into the Cook4Me, which is preheating on the browning function. So skin side down. I've washed it and taken the fat off it, and you'll hear it sitting. 4 thighs here. With the pasta is going to serve 4 people. And just let that brown skin side down while we take the tops off our little tomatoes, which I've just picked out of our garden. Okay, after a couple of minutes of browning, you just turn it over. We've got a nice bit of colour in that skin to add to the flavour of the dish. Okay, we've just turned it over. It's browning nicely. We're just going to throw in our tomato paste now. Garlic. Just crushed garlic. You put whole cloves of garlic in there if you like. Our Italian herb seasoning, freshly cracked pepper, some veggie salt, and our roughly sliced onions. Okay, now just give this a bit of a stir around now so that all the seasoning comes into contact with the chicken. It's been browning for about 3 minutes now. It's in with our full can of tin tomatoes. Some Kalamata olives that have been pitted, and then our little bowl of fresh tomatoes. I'm leaving those on top, and what they'll do is just split a little bit, and when we go to serve it they'll still have a bit of texture there. So we turn it from the browning function now, and we want to go to quick cooking, and we're going to cook that for 10 minutes. Close and bolt the lid, quick cooking, 10 minutes, and start and immediate start. That'll be ready in 10 minutes. Time to do your pasta. Okay, 10 minutes later, this is what you should have. I'm just going to empty the jus container and put it back onto the browning function to reduce slightly, and that will intensify those flavors and concentrate the juice by evaporating some of the moisture away from it. No need to stir it. Leave those little tomatoes sitting on top like that. The skins are really soft because they're so thin, and you'll just see that's going to keep warm at this stage after it's been in the browning function. So don't stir it, just leave it like that and let it evaporate away while our pasta's cooking. Okay, the pasta's cooked. The sauce is reducing into a delicious, thick, rich broth. And now we just remove our chicken, which is beautifully cooked, and arrange it on our pasta. Shall we get some of our olives and our gorgeous sauce in there? Okay, we've just got a couple of parsley sprigs from our garden. Just put that all around for a garnish. You could use basil if you like. Richard doesn't particularly like basil, so we're going just with some Italian parsley and Parmesan cheese and some crusty bread, or a tossed salad if you want. There you have it. How simple was that? Another dinner inside half an hour in the Tefal Cook4Me. Cheekyricho Cooking's Chicken Puttanesca. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to show you how incredibly tender and moist and juicy and well cooked this chicken is. Right down to the bone, no pink at all, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Pasta. Moist, tender, succulent, well flavoured, nicely balanced, absolutely delicious. Dinner for 4, sitting there in less than half an hour. Thanks for watching.